How to set up Google review for your business. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find your Google reviews and where from you can from here you can manage it, and also I will show you how you can share your Google review links to others so your customer can give you the reviews by this link. I will show you how you can share the shareable link of your review. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. Okay guys, so here I'm on my browser. So first thing, we need to log in with our email ID which is associated with your business profile. Now come in search bar and search for my business. Then your business listing will be visible to you only. Now just view the profile. Here you can see your business listing, and here you can see the read your reviews. Okay, in my case I don't, my account is not verified yet, so I will show you on my other business. Give me a second. Okay, so this is my verified business. So let me go in read views, and here you can see all your reviews, like most relevant, newest, highest and lowest. You can filter your reviews like this, and here you can see you can reply on review from here. You just click on reply, and you can reply by up to 40 4,000 words. Just reply, just click on it and it will be reply. And you can also like this reply, and you can also report this reply. Okay, if you think the reply was fake and reply is manipulated your Google review, then just click on this three dot icon, go to the report review, and you can report review. You have to select any of this reason, like discrimination and hate speech, spam, off topic, and just report it. After reviewing your report by Google, the Google will maybe delete you remove this bad review or negative review like fake review. Yeah, so here you can manage your review. Now if you want to share your review link to others, you can share. What you can do, just open the Google map. First, of course, you need to log in with your email ID. Open the Google map. Okay, search here for your business. Open that business. Now just here you can see the share link, just click on it, copy this link, and you can share on Facebook, you can share on any social media. Just copy link, you can share also on WhatsApp. After share, people can open this link like this, then it directly bring them to your business, and now people can give review from here, like they can write review from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.